Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best T5 grow lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Monios-L T5 LED grow light for indoor plants. These grow lamps support overhead and hanging installations. The 4-feet lighting fixtures have high photosynthetic photon flux density fluorescent tubes. Moreover, the lighting fixtures have the construction of aluminum and PC materials. Both of these materials offer exceptional heat dissipation. Hence, the lamps last for years without any complication. The lighting system also simulates natural sunlight. Furthermore, these lamps produce wavelengths of 380 to 800 millimeters. These LED lamps provide a color temperature of 2900 kelvins. The 60-watt super bright LEDs are perfect for seedling cultivations and hydroponic rooms. Nevertheless, the reflectors increase the light by 20%. You will require no wiring to make these lamps work. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VIVOSUN T5 Ho Fluorescent Grow Light for indoor plants. The T5 grow lights come with commercial-grade aluminum reflectors. Therefore, the higher reflection rate also makes these fixtures suitable for indoor plantations. Moreover, the lighting system comes along with an 8-feet-long power cable. The fluorescent light source makes the fixture perfect for greenhouses and hydroponics. Nevertheless, the plug-and-play configuration makes these grow lamps simple to install. The easily controllable switch lets you operate the illumination accordingly. Furthermore, the lamps are compatible with a daisy chain configuration. Each of the grow lights produces a color temperature of up to 6500 kelvins. These lamps offer horizontal, vertical, and overhead mountings. The lighting fixture comes with 2 hanging cables. At number 3, we have the Hydroplanet Indoor Horticulture Gardening T5 Grow Lights. The growing lighting fixtures come in a pack of 4. These grow lamps also come with powder-coated housing. Hence, the lighting fixtures stay for years without any quality deterioration. Moreover, the 15-feet-long power cord makes operation trouble-free for people. The fluorescent T5 high-output bulbs replicate the waves of the natural sunlight. The included hanger also lets everyone install this fixture with ease. Furthermore, the plug-and-play configuration makes this lighting fixture exceptionally flexible. The grow lamp consists of reflective aluminum reflectors. Therefore, the system reflects the big section of light for faster plant growth. You can use this lamp for hydroponics, greenhouses, and other spaces. At number 2, we have the iPower 4-feet 6400K T5 Grow Light. The T5 grow lights nearly have an estimated lifespan of 20,000 hours. These lamps are also strong enough to produce 20,000 lumens of brightness output. Moreover, these grow lights have T5 fluorescent tubes with high output rates. Hence, these modules perfectly replicate the full spectrum of the sunlight. The super reflective surface produces excessive light in lesser power consumption. These lighting fixtures also come with separate controller switches. Furthermore, you can have precise control over the lamps. The reflector of these grow lights reflects up to 95% of light beams. However, the lighting fixtures have hanging cables and a long power cable. These lamps deliver up to 6400 kelvins color temperature. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sunblaze T5 high-output fluorescent grow light. This high-output module solely produces up to 6500 kelvins color temperature. The plant strip light is also 4 feet long. Moreover, the lesser power-consuming lighting system only consumes 54 watt of electricity. The grow lamp makes a perfect addition to your greenhouses and hydroponics. Nevertheless, the lightweight module offers a hassle-free installation. This manufacturer includes the mounting hardware, jumper cable, and a power cord. Furthermore, this T5 grow light is compatible with the daisy chain configuration. The cover of this lighting system is also detachable. This light delivers the sunlight-like output to assist perfect plant growth. However, the on or off switch offers simple control over this lamp. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.